This video is a tour of our new LWJE Library website. After logging in to stjschools.org/library, you'll reach our homepage. On our homepage, there's links to the St. James School District site, the Lucy Wortham James Elementary site, and our 2021 school calendar. Scrolling down, you will see a Bitmoji Classroom. Please feel free to explore this. All of the little pictures are linked to book trailers, our online encyclopedia, and many other fun things. Side note, don't forget to click on the cat for a fun survey. As you scroll down, any current and recent announcements will be listed here, in addition to a photo gallery so that you can see the cool things happening in and around our library, and librarian information and contact. Scrolling back to the top, you can reach the next page over here in the upper right-hand corner. So the next page is How Do I? This page is a tutorial so that you can find out how to do different things on in conjunction with our library. So the featured video right now is how to place holds. This is in video format. It'll be a screencast similar to this one that will walk you through putting a book on hold. Or if you prefer, these are the same instructions, but they're written out with words and pictures to help you get those materials put on hold. We also have a book request form, so if you would like for staff members to select a collection of books for you, please fill out this form to give us some guidance on what you would like to read. Please note that we will be delivering any books that you put on this form. If you are an on-campus learner, we will only deliver to your homerooms. If you are a virtual learner, arrangements can be made for pickup in the school office, or arrangements can be made for home delivery. Moving on to the next page is our digital resources page. This page contains our school subscription sites. You will need a username and password for that, so please contact library staff or your child's teacher in order to get those login credentials. So this is Follett Destiny. This is where you'll find the catalog that was referred to in the How Do I videos. This is Renaissance Place. Epic Books is digital picture books. And then we have our online encyclopedia, Britannica. Check It Out is our book recommendation and information site. So again, we have another link to that Destiny catalog. We have AR Book Find so that you can easily find out if a book has an AR test and what level it is. And another link again to that book request form. We have a section of digital graphic novels. This is our web comics section, so you can read those graphic novels for fun. That's a very, very popular genre in our library. Mazel, these are our Readers Awards information. We very much promote and encourage kids to participate in these Readers Award programs. For grades 4 and 5, we promote the Mark Twain Readers Award. Students have to read at least 4 of these titles in order to vote. And for grades 1st through 3rd, we read aloud the Show Me titles to the students. And then in the spring, they will be able to vote on their favorite title. The winners from last year, the ones that the St. James students voted on, in addition to many, many other students across the state of Missouri, chose these top 3 books for the Show Me Readers Award winners. And these are the top 3 books for the Mark Twain Readers Award. This site is new, and because of that, it is a work in progress. Different things, videos, training resources, reading sources, information sources will be added very, very frequently, so please keep checking back. I will update tutorials as need be to keep you informed on what we have added to our site. At any time, please reach out to library staff. We are always here to help you with reading and information needs.